Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 11. So here it is. Let's read the story. Well, it was getting late at night. On that time, Changi's crew has been stuck up on the road. Their cars already broke down. But luckily, Tang Wang Ting was there and they pick it all up. When they arrive at the hotel, Sister Wan Ting, I have to take the stacks of the materials and you go up first. Wan Ting said, okay, finish early and rest early. It's been a hard day. Right now, Tang Wang Ting will enter the hotel. Suddenly, it was Shang Yi was there also. She get off the car. Now, Shang Yi moved closer to her. Probably she want to approach her. What about Miss Shang? I'm afraid that reporters would be staying nearby. Ava walked into the parking lot wearing my coat, so I entered through the side door. Well, technically, she's also a big star, that's why I always want to hide from the crowds. Especially a media one. Well, it makes sense to Tang Wang Ting. Of course, she really understand her. But right now, she really was. They entered the side entrance. Weren't you just not planning to take this drama? At first, what does it mean now? Well, Shang Yi, she was really thinking hard. Suddenly, the two of them got interrupted. There's a two girl in there, and they're talking about. And now, it's make Shang Yi and Tang Wang Ting to stop. Probably just to see who is the person. But right now, Shang Yi said to Tang Wang Ting, do you think this boy sounds familiar? Well, maybe she really knows that two girl. But right now, Shang Yi, she was too close to Tang Wang Ting. Tang Wang Ting was said to herself so close. We're still. Well, right now, she was really flashing. Although until now, she really gets shy when Shang Yi was there and also closer to her. Shang Yi grabbed her along. Looking at this girl, she seems to be happy. When Shang Yi grabbed her, she cannot restrain herself. Until suddenly, she got bumped into her. Well, what's wrong? Why suddenly Shang Yi gets stopped? There's someone might interrupt that then again. But, looking at her, now Shang Yi said to her it was a lie. Listen to the corner. Oh, this girl. She really want to hear the gossip, that's why they hide on the corner. What do I care about? What qualifications do I have to care about your affairs? Sushi, this is a role that I got with a great difficulty and I cherish this opportunity very much. Oh, it seems that the situation is not getting better. You join the team with the front foot and I will follow you with the back foot. I have been pushed back and forth in the female lead. Dramas here, I will play a vicious female lead who will defend on the stereotype. It seems that the two of them is having commotion. Shall you see? What do you think I am? Think of you as an unqualified ex who is still hanging on after a breakup. Oh, it turns out it was a long argument for these two girls. Are you so afraid of people knowing that we have talked before? Good. Right now, it seems that it is really a long argument because the two is really getting mad at each other. Suddenly, right now, the girl kissed her so much. But right now, the girl, she didn't understand herself and also kissed her back. Well, it's a little bit strange. The relationship is really strange. The two of them still seeing the girl kissing on the corridor. But the two girls still don't want to disturb and do the things they want to do. Well, it was a rival. It was an assay foot check. The misfortunes on the set was really not due to acting. Xiangyi, she was teasing Wang Ting. At this moment, Wang Ting, she is flashing and muted again. Probably because Xiangyi always provoke her, especially in this kind of situation. She always teases her. But suddenly, Xiangyi, she moved closer to her. Well, is she going to kiss Wang Ting? It is really strange. The chemistry is not in there. Why suddenly she want to tease her so much? But right now, it makes sense. Tang Wangting pushes her away. Push away, I want you to go back. Well, at this time, Wangting, she was clearly blushing whenever Xiangyi moved closer to her. Let's wait a little longer. If you leave at this time, it will be even more unclear if they see you. Oh, this girl, she only wants to hear the gossip. Of course, she needed compliance to hear the gossip on the two girls. Suddenly, the two girls broke up. Well, at this moment, it seems that the girl is really shocked and surprised. Well, maybe really get pushed down by her partner. Also right now, it really makes sense to her. The two of them cannot be together. We have broken up for 3 years. Don't come here to get in love with me. Oh, this is really strange. Now, the girl's really getting mad. Of course, what a poor girl right now. I am in heat. Then, what I kiss you, why don't you stick out your tongue? Well, she was right. Till now, if she doesn't love her, why she feel it back? Suddenly, the girl pushes her away. Get out of here. Now, the girl's really screaming. Well, it really makes sense. Really getting mad at each other. Still, Xiangyi and Tang Wangting was there. They waiting for the two girls to leave, but Wangting said, okay, they're all gone. Let's go back and rest. Well, it was good. At least right now, the argument is being stopped. Xiangyi get her hand and said etc. They really get closer at each other. Well, Xiangyi, she moved closer to her again. What does she want to do? Now, she was holding her face and caressing it, probably. Well, let's hope. We will see more about the two of them on next chapter next week. Well, this chapter is really good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For those who want to support, the join membership is already open. You can click the button. For those who want to join, thank you. Bye.